it to the rhythm. Do it to the rhythm. I don't know what it does to me, but it's taking me higher than I've ever been. Let it take control of your mind and senses. Feel the fire.